Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the panda monster from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large circle. Next, let's hop inside and draw the eyes with 2 circles. Now inside each eye, let's add another circle towards the left side. And now let's color these both in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move underneath and draw the nose. In the center, let's start with a curve. And then 2 angled lines down, forming a triangle shape. Next, let's hop underneath and add the mouth. Let's start underneath the nose on the right, and let's draw a curve down towards the left like this. And then underneath, a curve over to the right and back up. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop up and add the ears. We'll start on the top left, and let's draw an angled line up and out. And then let's curve it down. And now let's do the same thing for the right ear. And that's it for the head. Next, let's draw the piece of bamboo. Let's start above the left eye, and let's draw a small oval here. And the same thing above the right eye, but a little bit lower and touching the eye like this. Next, let's connect them at the top with a curve. And then another curve going the opposite way underneath like this. Now let's draw another section on the left. Let's start over on the left here by the ear and draw an oval. And again, let's add the 2 curved lines. Now let's do the same on the right. Let's start with an oval. And then curves at the top and bottom. And that's it for the shape of the bamboo. Next, let's move in and erase any of the overlapping lines. Next, let's hop up and add some leaves. On the top right, let's draw a leaf overlapping the right ear like this. And then one more leaf going up. And again, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. And that's it for the bamboo. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head, and let's draw angled lines down from both sides. And then a curve up and back down at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw the bottom of the body with a curve. Now let's hop to the outside and add the arms. On the left, let's draw a line down and then curve it back in. And let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's hop down and add the legs with 2 V-shaped curves like this. And that's it for the panda. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!